channel. This is FOREX Grey Trading Channel, FOREX Holy Grey Trading Channel. You are welcome, and I want you to subscribe to this channel and like the channel, and I want us to hit the notification bell so that next time we create and upload video, you will be informed. And so you are welcome. And today's video, I want to show us how you can day trade with 5 minutes time frame in an established daily trend, either uptrend or downtrend. That's what I want to show us today. And so if it's an established downtrend, we're only going to trade in 5 minutes. That is, when 5 minutes synchronizes with daily time frame, that is when to take trade. And so let's jump into it right now. For those of you who have not subscribed, I implore you to subscribe to this channel. And so this is a USD card, and like I told you in our previous videos, that we either buy low in FOREX and sell high, and we can see that our MA channel, look at the MA channel. MA channel is above the central TMA line. For those of you who are not watched, who do not understand what we are talking about, for us to be at the same page, I will advise you to go and watch our previous videos in Holy Grey FOREX system channel. You can go and look out for our previous videos so that we can be at the same page as we are explaining. And so at this point, we see that the MA channel has crossed above the central TMA line, and the stochastic oscillation is above 80, suggesting that the market is in a sell zone ready to be sold. And so we'll wait for the first candlestick that will close below the 12 EMA. This is the 12 EMA, this dotted line here, and this is the first candlestick. So this is the first candlestick, and what do? We go to 4 hour to see whether this trend is actually established. And so going to 4 hour, based on our system, we see that the trend is established because the MA channel, the 89 moving average, the Ichimoku cluster, all line above the central TMA line in 4 hour time frame. And we look out for the first candlestick that will close above this Ichimoku cluster. This is the candlestick here. And so this is the candlestick, this one. And so the trend is established in 4 hours. Then looking at 1 hour, we also see that the trend is established in 1 hour. Now looking at 30 minutes, you also see that the trend is established. And so the trend is established, and so we have a running down trend. So all we need to do now is to switch to 5 minutes time frame. That is where we'll be taking our trade. We can only take trade that synchronizes with the daily time frame. And since the daily time frame is a sell, we only take sell trade. Coming to this day, this is the separator. The separator marks the end of each day. Look at it here. This day, we see that the MA channel is above the central TMA line and also the 89 moving average. And so we take our first trade here. The close of this candlestick below the Ichimoku cluster. Remember, we have to set our stop using the ATR. I taught how to set our stop loss using the ATR indicator in our previous video. You can go and check it in our channel. And setting up the stop loss, it should be at the stop loss which is set at the daily time frame, and so that should be the stop loss. And we are now going to monitor this trade until all these parameters cross below the central TMA. At this point it happened, so we close this trade for this day. I'm waiting for another opportunity, and we can see here that our system provides opportunity for us to buy, but we are not going to buy. We are going to be disciplined with our system. We can only buy when the 5 minutes time frame synchronizes with the daily time frame, because the daily time frame is in a sell mode. And coming to this place, we can see that the MA channel, look at it, all of them cross above Ichimoku class. Look for the first candlestick for that day that closed below the Ichimoku class. This is the first candlestick. We place a sell, and you can see everything here. Look at the market end here. We close the market for that day. That day now opportunity came, based on our system in 5 minutes to buy, but we are not going to buy because it does not synchronize with the daily time frame, which is a downtrend. And so at this point we are not taking any trade. We are not taking any trade. Okay, come. We can see now that this particular day, look, the time frame, you see the MA channel, the 89 moving average, and the Ichimoku class all cross above. And look at the first candlestick that closed below the Ichimoku class. It closed here, and there was a heavy momentum downward. We placed our sell here. Our sell here. We monitor the trade until all the parameters will close below, and they all close below here. Look at this is where they close. And so before they close, and so until another trend, a trend is reversed in daily time frame, we have to exit the trades. So I think in a nutshell, that is how to trade profitably using 5 minute time trade that synchronizes with daily time frame trend. Thank you.